Exploring size. Let's talk big. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're taking on a massive topic. That's right, we're diving into the world of large size descriptors. Knowing how to describe large things is an essential part of English conversations. So, let's get started and learn to express bigness in English. In English, we use the word large to describe something that is big or of considerable size. It can be used to describe almost anything, from objects to animals to abstract concepts like problems or amounts. Examples: a large elephant was blocking the road. He lives in a large house. We have a large amount of work to do. Sometimes, saying large all the time can be repetitive. Luckily, English has many synonyms for large. Here are some common ones. Big. This is the most basic synonym. It can be used in almost any context where large can be used. Huge. This word means very big. It's often used to describe something that is surprisingly large. Massive. This is even bigger than huge. It's often used for objects that are impressively large. Gigantic. This is one of the largest sizes. It's often used for objects that are so large they are almost unimaginable. Remember, these synonyms aren't perfect. Each one has its own connotations and may not be suitable in every context. But they're a good place to start. The word large can mean different things in different contexts. For example, a large mouse is much smaller than a large elephant, even though both are described as large. It's all relative. When we say something is large, we mean it's large compared to other things of the same kind. Examples: a large dog might weigh 100 pounds, but a large cat would only weigh 20 pounds. A large cup of coffee is bigger than a regular cup, but smaller than a large pitcher of lemonade. There are also many phrases in English that use the word large. Here are a few common ones. At large. This means not confined or in the loose. For example, the criminal is still at large. In large part. This means mostly or mainly. For example, the project was in large part a success because of the team's effort. To a large extent. This means to a great degree. For example, to a large extent, our health is influenced by our diet. And that wraps up our journey into the world of large. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these new words and phrases in your English conversations. You'll be describing large things with ease in no time. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.